Hello everyone, welcome back to the series. Alright, let's do some basic stuff to get familiar with how things work in Dino. Let's start by learning how to work with files, and I promise we'll move to something really exciting soon. Okay, so let's start by creating a text file. I'll save this file as, name the file as hello.txt. I'll just type in a message called hello world and save this file. And now we want to create a file that Dino can run to open the contents of this file and print them out to us. So we'll make a TypeScript file over here. Name this file as read.ts. So what we are trying to do here is that we want to create a function to read a file. Let's call this function name as read file. And this looks just like any other JavaScript or any TypeScript function. And at the same point, we are going to call this file but now I don't actually know how to work with the files, and what do I do with this, how to open or read the file from another file directory in Dino. So need not to worry, that's why Dino has got some exciting and amazing website. Let's get into this. Head over to Runtime API. This site lists all of the functions that Dino makes available out of the box. That is, these are the functions that we can use explicitly without importing them, So let's take a look at what we have here. Alright, if you scroll down, you see Dino read. Dino read directory, read file. You see, we'll have to check whether this API helps out for us. No. And if you scroll down below, you'll find out. Our purpose is to read the file contents. See, if you scroll down, you see here the Dino read.txt file. Click on that and you see asynchronously reads and returns the entire contents of the file. So this works exactly for us. Just copy this code, line of code, and paste it over here. Boom. Save this and then run. Okay, we'll have to make this asynchronous file. Say async Okay, let's make this function asynchronous. Save and let's run this code. Deno run rate.ts. Oops, the read access to hello.txt. Run with hello. As I told in the previous video, we'll have to set the permissions for this file to read the contents of it. So what we'll have to do is pass the flag hello rate flag. Say deno run hello rate.ts. Oops. Boom, we got the output hello world. It's reading the contents of this file. You get the output 2 times is because we are calling the read file 2 times over here. I'll just remove this and save the code and run again. Yeah, that works. That's all guys for this video. Hope now you know how to read the contents of the file using Deno. Found this video helpful? Please do not hesitate to post your queries or the comments in the comment section below. If you are stuck anywhere, I'll help you out to resolve the conflicts. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.